Yeah, 7% to the Fire and Flames on Expert. Yeah, hi guys. Oops, not on. That ruins a moment. I'll do my Guitar Hero. Yeah, this battery's getting, this thing's dying. We're gonna do School's Out now. I guess. Because school is out. Actually, ironic how... Whoa, why is this thing so fast? School starts tomorrow. Shoot. My goal here is to do all songs. Not in order, but just in any random order. Yeah, it's a lot longer than I thought it was. There we go. I like the solos in this song for some reason. Solo 1. Shoot. Shoot. I keep looking for recording too. That's stupid of me. How did I miss that? Oh shoot, I wasn't paying attention. I need to fix this. It's going a little fast. I only had for hyperspeed set to 3. And if I can remember what the code for hyperspeed is, if you guys still play this game, it is. Shoot. I'll put the code in the description. Oh my god. Jeez. If you notice this song, the note's hard. I don't know why I do that. Don't ask why. There, that's the end. Hooray! Yay! Jeez. I never really noticed with a bell in the background. People are screaming too. 96%. Okay, guys, I'll see you.